Hey, welcome to the show. Check out this beautiful phone case from TORRAS. It is for the iPhone 15 series, stain resistant, beautiful finish. Love it. TORRAS makes excellent products and this is one of them. Let's take a little closer look right here. Look at that big bevel right along here to protect your camera lens. So if you ever put your phone down, it's not going to scratch the camera lens. Also, you're not going to believe this. You can open this up and it acts like a kickstand. So if you want to put your phone on the counter and have it horizontal or vertical, you can do that. You can even bring this back farther and then your phone is laying back. If you take a little closer look at that, It is built, this is metal right here. It's not plastic, it's metal. And there's a little magnet right here. Look at this. Boom. It stays put, will not open up. Take a look at the buttons right here. Nice and squishy buttons along the side. And on this side here, here's what the ports look down here. Nice built phone case. Oh, you're saying, hey, what is this? That's in case you have one of those car holders with a magnet like this. Boom. It's solid. I mean, when I'm talking solid, you really got to pull it apart. I mean, it's going to hold that phone beautiful in your car, not going to come loose. Nice feature. When I'm running my finger around this, you can't even feel it. It's nice and smooth right here. You can't even feel that magnet. Nice. Look at this. Non-slip grip on this phone. Hey, what more do you need? This is a perfect phone case for your new iPhone. You're going to like it. Hey, check out the company. They got great customer support, great service. These products, you got to check out all their products they have for the iPhone. You're going to like them. They've been around for a long time. TORRAS is the way to go. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button down below. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.